Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Gather tools first. You will need a 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, and trim tool. Also have the replacement tailgate handle and a rag ready. Park the Ranger on level ground and set the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid accidental shorting while you work. Lower the tailgate and support it. Keep one person nearby when handling the tailgate to prevent dropping and damaging latch components. Open the tailgate and remove 2 inner trim screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Pry off plastic trim clips gently with the trim tool to expose the handle bolts. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 handle bolts from inside the tailgate. Carefully push the handle assembly outward while freeing the latch rod. Unclip the metal rod and remove it from the handle linkage. If your model has a connector, depress the tab and disconnect the electrical plug for the lock actuator. Position the replacement handle into the tailgate cavity and align bolt holes carefully. Insert the 2 10mm bolts and tighten them finger snug, then give a final quarter turn with a socket. Reattach the latch rod and secure the rod clip to prevent disengagement while operating. Reconnect any electrical connector to the lock actuator and route wiring away from pinch points. Reinstall the inner trim panel and screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.